Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given a table that has a price that is inclusive of GST. Do take note, GST in this question is 7%. And by the way, GST represents the goods and service tax. Okay, so since it's inclusive, this one will be 107%. Before GST, 100%. GST is 7%. Okay, so for part A, it's pretty straightforward. Part A, we can straight away find what is the GST. 7 over 100 times $200. This will be $14. And once I have the $14, I will be able to find the price that includes the GST. I add them up. Same working for part B. So the GST is simply 7 over 100 of $360. And this will give me $25.20. So therefore the price that includes the GST is just sum them up. Well, part C and part D is a similar question, similar type, different numbers only. So this part here, I would write it down below here. So let's focus on this only, part C and part D. And again, we know that for part C, we are given the GST. So GST amount is $9.80. That means 7% represent $9.80. 1%, I just need to divide by 7. That will give me $1.40. So price that includes GST represent 107%. So I just need to multiply by 107. This will give me $149.80. And the price for GST, that one is 100%. So I just need to use the 1%, multiply by 100. That will give me the value for 100%, $140. So I've gotten my 149.80 and $140. Same working for part D. Okay, so same set of working for part D. Given 7%, GST is $24.50. Find 1% first, because this will hold the key to find. This will be $3.50, and therefore I will be able to get my 107%, this includes the GST, times 107. So this one would be equal to 374. And I just need to find the 100% value as well. Same, 1% value is $3.50 times 100. 350. And therefore, I just need to update the table again. $374.50, $350. And the last part. Part E and Part F is the same working. We are given price that includes GST. And we know that this is represented by 107%. So Part E and Part F will be the same working, which it will be here. I will write it down here. This is represented by $417.30, and I want to find 1% first. This will give me $3.90, and therefore I will be able to find my 100% value. And my GST value is 7%. And that will be the answer for this 390. $27.30, and the same working for Part F, 535. Find 1%. And therefore I will be able to find the 100% price without GST, $500. And the 7% GST times 7, $35. And with that, we are done for this question. Okay. So if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to Mr. Ryan Tan's YouTube, and always happy to share with you how to solve math problems. Thank you and have a nice day.